Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen using OBS Studio. It's simple than it's slow, and we will have you set up in just a minute. First, make sure you have OBS Studio installed and open up on your computer. Once you are looking at the main OBS window, the first place we need to go is the settings. Find that down here, and inside the settings, click on the video tab. Here, you will see base resolution. You want to set this match with your monitor native resolution. Right below that, set the output resolution to be the exact same. This just makes sure your recording is nice and sharp. Then, the FPS value and change that to 60 for a really smooth looking recording. When you are done, just click apply and then OK. Now, for the main part, look down at the source box and click the little plus icon. From the list that pops up, choose display capture. Another window pop up where you can select which monitor you want to record. Just select your monitor from the list and click OK again. And that's really it. You are all set. To start recording your screen, just click Start Recording button right here. To see recorded videos, just open Video folder on your computer. I really hope this quick tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.